How to find Social Security number of deceased parent. We receive requests from people looking to get their deceased parent's Social Security number. Now, Social Security numbers are not public record, and they should be kept secure and private. And Social Security numbers are classified as personally identifiable information such as driver's license numbers and passport numbers. Now, our private investigation firm can find someone's SSN if the person requesting the SSN has a permissible purpose. Is it legal to search for someone's Social Security number? It's perfectly legal under certain permissible purposes like child support, judgment collection, 1099 issuance, and litigation. But finding it for a deceased parent is not a permissible purpose. The Social Security number is widely used to prove one's identity. So in the event a relative has passed away, the number can usually be found quite quickly in the decedent's personal papers. If you don't have access to the decedent's personal belongings, you can get the correct Social Security number from the Social Security Administration, or SSA. Finding a Social Security number yourself. If a relative has passed away, there are many places you can find their Social Security number. For starters, if you have access to the relative's personal belongings, look through his or her wallet and personal papers for their Social Security card. You can also find the Social Security number on a tax form such as a W-2 or SSA 1099 or a Social Security benefit statements. Pay stubs generally include a person's Social Security number, as do health care records and life insurance policies. You can also check your relative's driver's license, because 29 states use SSN as a driver's license number, or show it on the license. If your relative served in the military, you should be able to find their Social Security number on those documents as well. If you cannot find the Social Security number in any of these places, try contacting the funeral director responsible for your relative's funeral. Funeral directors include the deceased Social Security number on the statement of death they file with the federal government. The funeral director normally provides a copy of the statement of death to close relatives of the deceased, like a spouse or child. If these messages fail, contact your local SSA office to inquire about getting the relative's Social Security number. You have two choices on how to order and receive the Social Security number from the SSA. The first choice is you get a computer extract of the record, which includes the Social Security number. And the second choice, you get a photocopy of the actual application, which includes the SSN and much more information, including the applicant's full name, including maiden name, address at time of application, employer's address, date and place of birth, parent's full name, including mother's maiden name, application date, applicant's signature. If the person was born within the last 120 years and the death hasn't been registered with the SSA yet, you may need to prove proof of death. Deaths are almost always registered with the SSA unless the deceased was too young to receive Social Security benefits and the family never received benefits after death. Now, you can fill out your request for the deceased individual's Social Security record online or print the PDF version of Form SSA-714. You fill the form out, sign it, and mail it to the SSA with the appropriate fee. Now, there's links below in the description to an actual copy of the form and a link to the SSA office to show you how to apply for the SSN online.